Would you like to avoid unexpected plant shutdowns? Understanding these 5 wearables will help you do just that. If you're experiencing increases in differential pressure, inconsistent airflow, or hearing other strange noises from your dust collector, it may be time to start looking at some of these consumables. The 5 most common replaceable parts are timer boards, diaphragm valves, diaphragm repair kits, solenoid kits, and filters. So first, let's talk about timer boards. There are 2 common issues with timer boards. The first being a blown fuse, the second an electrical short. With the blown fuse, you're not going to get any power to the timer board or your pulse system. For an electrical short, you may see one or multiple valves that remain open because they are getting a small current of electricity. Diaphragm valves are a critical part of your pulse jet system. Now, if you have a valve that's stuck open, leaking air, not pulsing at all, or even pulsing weak, then it's time to take a look. You want to make sure these are operating properly so you're keeping your filters clean and your system working efficiently. Diaphragm valve repair kits are the small rubber disc inside the actual pulse valve. If your pulse valve is leaking air, it could be because of the diaphragm repair kit. When you open the valve up, check to see if there's any tears, pitting, or other signs of excess wear. If there is, it's time to replace your diaphragm kit. Solenoid repair kits are another critical part of your dust collector. Now, these have rubber tips on the end of the plungers that can get worn or pitted over time. If it does, it can create an improper seal and cause your valve to leak. Now, these can be located on the valve itself, in the case of an integral valve, or in an enclosure in the case of remote valves. Every now and then you'll get some grit and rust in the body of the plunger itself, causing the valve to get stuck in the open or closed position. Filter bags over time get dirty and plug. This will cause a decrease in airflow, both through the dust collector as well as at the pickup points, which causes increases in differential pressure. You can also have leaks or tears in the bags, which will cause a decrease in differential pressure and an increase in emissions. We recommend that you monitor your differential pressure through regular maintenance checks so that you can keep an eye on your filters. Any spikes or large decreases in differential pressure may be signs of an issue. If you'd like to put together a maintenance plan, feel free to check out our maintenance guide in the description link below. Most of these consumables are available in our online store, so go ahead and check those out too.